In this video, we are gonna talk about proportional segments. So, when three or more parallel lines are cut by true transversals, the lengths of the corresponding segments of the transversals are proportional. This means that the lengths of the segments of one transversal are related to the lengths of the corresponding segments of the other transversal by a number called the scale factor. In this figure, we use arrowheads that are not on the ends of the segments to indicate that the lines P, M, and N are parallel. So these lines, I forgot to add P, M, and N. So the left to right scale factor of this figure is 3/2. If you're wondering why, to find the scale factor, you're on left to right, so you're gonna divide from the right to the left. So in this case, 3 and 2. So this means 3/2 times the length of any segment on the left equals the length of the corresponding segment on the right. So let's have segment length and corresponding segment, times scale factor, so that's the SF. And we have corresponding segment length. Now let's have this from left to right. So when we're working from left to right, we should have 2 here. On the line segment, we're gonna have the left side. So we have 2 and 3 times the scale factor, so which is 3/2. So we're just gonna have 3/2 like that. 3/2. So you're simply just gonna multiply this. This 3, by the way. 3. So 2 times 3/2, so the 2 will cancel, giving us 3. Then 3 times 3/2, so we have an invisible 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 9/2. Now let's work from right to left. So you can try it if you want. So let's find the scale factor first from right to left. So we're gonna divide it. So it's just the opposite. So when we're working from right to the left to find the scale factor, you're just gonna divide from left to right, which is 2 divided by 3. So 2/3. So let's work from right to left here. So let's add this sign. So segment length. So when we're working from right to left, so our segment length must be on the right. So let's have 3 and then have, since that's the given, times the scale factor, which is 2/3. So we're just gonna multiply this. So 3 times 2/3, so the 3 will cancel, giving us 2. Now 9/2 times 2/3. So 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So as you can see, the corresponding segment length from left to right is just the left side of this figure right here. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.